Hey, so it quite took us some time. We definitively have used the full hour, but now we were able in our brainstorming to collect a ton of ideas. So we started with a wild brainstorming. Everybody just put in all his ideas, and then step by step we've tried to create models in order to structure all the ideas that we have developed. And what I want to do now shortly is to show you what is the result. So basically, in order to save the climate, we came up with the idea to say, hey, climate change depends on the CO2 concentration in our atmosphere. The CO2 concentration, again, is the product of its current level and the addition of CO2 and the consumption of CO2. And the most complex part, of course, in our society is when we look at the production of CO2. So our yearly CO2 production, here on the higher level, there's a model called iPad. During the call, several other people joined us that we invited. And one of our teammates, Oliver, is studying sustainability. And so he let us know that there's this model iPad, which is impact equals to a population multiplied by our wealth, multiplied by our technology. So this means less people reduces CO2, more wealth augments it, less wealth would again reduce it, and of course getting better technology, getting energy efficient technology then again lowers our impact and sense of CO2 production. Exactly. So and then we have a wide array of ideas from population control, birth control, to all parts of wealth. Here we have used Maslow's pyramid to structure these ideas a little bit. Not everything fits perfectly in Maslow, but it was shorthandly the best model that we found. And then from food, water, clothing, to consumer technology, for example, which is quite interesting. On many levels, we found out that there is personal stuff that you can do, and we described this as micro. And then there's also macro changes that you can do. For example, a macro change would be that lawmakers enforce suppliers to produce electronics with longer lifetime. So, and this is easily made in the sense that a lawmaker can tell you, okay, from now on, you have to guarantee 5 years of warranty for your iPad. And then the supplier has to produce hardware which lives longer. And by this, you can use it longer, and therefore you don't have to buy it so much. And therefore, you don't have to produce so much waste. You don't have to produce, you don't have to use so much energy for the production of these goods. And so therefore, there's a complex network of aspects that have impact on each other. And we were able here to put in many of our ideas and structure everything on multiple levels. So if we look at this map, we have the first level, the second level, the third level, the fourth level, the fifth level, the sixth, the seventh, 8, 9 levels deep is this map. And I can easily refactor everything in this map. I can easily make changes, put stuff in different directions of this model. And so it's quite easy to come up with such a complex model, and this in a very short time. Bye-bye.